Do you know that Africa loses over 40% of its fresh food because we don't process or preserve it? What if I told you that you can turn that waste into a thriving business, starting from your kitchen or small workshop, with machines that cost less than $1,000? Hello, my people. My name is Jami Kakona, and in this video series, I'm going to show you step by step how to start your own profitable food processing business in Africa. From tomato paste to chili powder, onion flakes, peanut butter, spices, plantain chips, and many more, I'll guide you through the exact machines to use, how to process and package your products, and most importantly, how to sell and make money. Whether you have a small budget or want to build a large factory, this channel is your roadmap to success. So if you're serious about starting a food processing business that feeds Africa and feeds your family, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because we're just getting started. Let's dive in. Every day across Africa, tons of fresh produce like tomatoes, onions, chilies, fruits, and grains go to waste, simply because they are not processed in time. But that's not a problem. It's a golden business opportunity. Fact: 40% of fresh food is wasted across Africa. Opportunity: process that food into durable packaged goods and make huge profits. Examples: tomato paste, chili powder, dried onions, plantain chips, peanut butter, mango juice, garlic, and ginger powder. You can start this business from your home, a small container shop, or a rented space, and grow step by step. A. Raw materials: tomatoes, onions, chilies, spices, fruits, grains, sourced locally from farmers or wholesale markets. B. Affordable processing machines, starting from $100 to $2,000. Product machines. You need cost range: tomato paste, pulping machine, cooking tank, pasteurizer $300 to $2,000, onion powder slicer, dehydrator, grinder $200 to $1,000, chili powder dryer, pulverizer, sieving machine $400 to $1,500, peanut butter roaster, grinder, filling machine $500 to $1,800, chips plantain, yam peeler slicer, fryer, sealer $350 to $2,000, spices grinder, mixer, packaging machine $300 to $1,200. You don't need a big factory, just the right machines, the right packaging, and the right marketing strategy. Segment 3. How to package your products professionally. 1501 to 2000. Types of affordable packaging machines: manual sealing machines, for sachets or pouches, cost $50 to $200. Tabletop bottle fillers, for juices, oils, sauces, cost $100 to $500. Powder packing machines, for spice, flour, chili, cost $800 to $2,000. Labeling machines, optional but makes your brand look professional. Packaging is not just about looks. It's about hygiene, preservation, and shelf appeal. A good package builds trust and allows you to sell for higher prices. Types of affordable packaging machines: manual sealing machines, for sachets or pouches, cost $50 to $200. Tabletop bottle fillers, for juices, oils, sauces, cost $100 to $500. Powder packing machines, for spice, flour, chili, cost $800 to $2,000. Labeling machines. Optional, but makes your brand look professional. Packaging is not just about looks, it's about hygiene, preservation, and shelf appeal. A good package builds trust and allows you to sell for higher prices. Segment 4. Cost breakdown and profit example, 2001 to 2500. Example: chili powder business. 100 kilograms of chili, $80. Processing, drying, grinding, $20. Packaging, labels, pouches, $15. Total cost, $115. Sales, 500 small sachets at $1 each. 0.50 equals 250. Profit, 135. Do that once a week, and you're already making over $500 a month. Scale it, brand it, and you could hit $2,000 or more monthly. Where to sell? local markets, supermarkets, restaurants, hotels, schools, and hospitals. Export with right certifications. How to sell, WhatsApp business, daily status plus DMs, Facebook Marketplace and local groups, Instagram and TikTok videos of production, roadside sampling and activation stalls, branding your packaging professionally. Your best marketing weapon is your packaging and your personal story. Show people what you're doing and how your product is 100% local. Register your business name, even if small. Build a unique brand, colors, logo, message. Keep quality consistent. Reinvest profits in more machines or better packaging. Train a team. Start with family or youth helpers. Africa is full of riches, not in gold or oil, but in food. If you can process food, package it well, and sell it smart, you will never be broke again. Start small, think big, and stay consistent. Whether it's tomato, chili, onion, or peanut, you can create your own food processing empire right from your backyard. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you how to start your own tomato paste business from scratch. Not sure where to start? Here are 10 highly profitable food products that are in high demand and easy to produce with small machines. 1. Tomato paste, sauce needed daily by restaurants and homes. Machine, pulp extractor, boiling tank, filling machine. 2. Chili powder, chili oil. Every home and market needs it. Machine, dryer plus grinder plus bottle/sachet packer. 3. Onion powder, flakes used in soups, snacks, and export. Machine, slicer plus dehydrator plus pulverizer. 4th, plantain, yam, potato chips, hot-selling snack for street and supermarkets. Machine, slicer plus fryer plus sealing machine. 5. Peanut butter loved by kids, athletes, and schools. Machine, roaster plus grinder plus bottler. 6. Ginger and garlic paste, powder health product and spice. Machine, peeler, grinder, packer. 7. Fruit juices, mango, pineapple, orange. Great for hotels, events, and retail. Machine, juice extractor, pasteurizer, filler. 8. Soybean milk, powder plant-based protein alternative. Machine, soy grinder, boiler, filter. 9. Mixed spice blends curry, suya, jollof spice, etc. Machine, mixer plus grinder plus powder packer. 10. Coconut oil/flour, popular for health, hair, and food use. Machine, desheller, grater, presser, dryer. Let me inspire you with real Africans who started small and built processing empires. Fatou from Senegal. Started with just a blender and built a chili powder brand selling to 5 supermarkets. Kofi from Ghana. Began producing plantain chips in his backyard. Now supplies to airlines and hotels. Grace from Kenya. Started mango juice bottling using local fruits, now exporting to Dubai. These are ordinary people like you. Their secret? Consistency, great packaging, and knowing their local market. The success of your food processing business depends a lot on your machine quality. Top machine sources, locally made. Start with welders or small machine builders in your area. Import from China or India. Alibaba, madeinchina.com. African suppliers, Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, and South Africa have some great dealers. Pro tip: start with semi-automatic machines, then upgrade later. Always test the machine before buying and ask for user manuals or video training. To sell in big markets, schools, or export, your products need approval. Key agencies to contact: Food and Drug Authority, FDA, or NAFDAC in Nigeria, Bureau of Standards, Health Ministry's Chamber of Commerce for export basic certifications. You may need product registration, health and hygiene certificate, business license barcode registration for supermarket entry. You're not just selling food, you're building a brand that people love and trust. Brand building tips: choose a strong, simple name. Example: Mama Chili, Golden Chips, Afrospice. Use bold colors on your labels. Tell a story: why you started, who it helps invest in quality photography of your products. Make social media part of your marketing. TikTok, Instagram Reels, WhatsApp status. Even if you're small, look professional. Let your product speak for you. Segment 13. How to export your processed foods. 9501 to 10500. Once you're consistent, don't just sell locally. Africa's food is in demand globally. Steps to export. Register with Export Promotion Council. Get product certification from your Bureau of Standards. Use a logistics, export agent, find diaspora buyers online, attend trade fairs or export expos. Chili from Uganda, mango juice from Burkina Faso, suya spice from Nigeria. These are all in demand in the UK, France, USA, and UAE. Start with one product, grow to 3. Reinvent profits into better machines and packaging. Train young workers or family. Partner with supermarkets and wholesalers. Apply for grants, SME funding, or investors. Food processing is the new oil of Africa. Don't wait for government. Don't wait for luck. Start small, start smart, and your food brand could go global. Call to action. Subscribe to this channel. Download the free guide in the description. Comment below what product you want to start with. Watch the next video on how to start a tomato paste factory at home. Africa is rich, not just in resources, but in opportunity. Every tomato that rots on the farm, every chili that spoils in the market, every onion that goes bad, is not waste, it's untapped gold, waiting for someone like you to transform it into value. With the right small machines, the right packaging, and smart marketing, you can turn ordinary food into extraordinary profit. Whether you're in Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, Cameroon, Congo, South Africa, or anywhere on this great continent, the world is hungry for African food products. Let's stop exporting raw crops. Let's start exporting value. Start small. Start today. Start now. Even from your kitchen, from your backyard, from a borrowed space. Just start, and the growth will follow. Don't wait for perfect conditions. The future belongs to those who act. Subscribe now for more stay.